some people, we have some things I'm gonna share with you guys. Welcome back to the channel. Leave a like and also subscribe. Some people, we have some things, you know, me I go share with you know quick and fast. So King and all my people, I feel them prank kick off both yesterday or the day before yesterday. And them a try to convince the people them. At least, you know what I mean? I don't know if I truth or not, but the people them a see a prank. You know what I mean? And them a try to convince the people them say, boy, him and Shay left for real and a bunch of things. The people them take to social media, you know my people. Big discussion. Them a say King them worthless. Them a say Shay father figure look work. And a bunch of things them attack say. And King them figure look work cause the thing now work out for them like I used to work out in Jamaica. So me I go share that with honor. And I go share King. Same a ball master. I want to tell me if I real ball in this. Cause it don't look real to me. That's my opinion still. Also, we have I explain Wagwan when the officer them hold on her. You see me cause after the whole commotion and fight and cussing and something up her yard, she and the girl them go to station. She go lick one of the girl them in a station. So them hold on her, right? So in the morning she explain whatever. And we're gonna get in at that. See? And I think we have more for share with you know, but we don't remember right now. So we are gonna get in at it, my people. Make we get in at it right now.
Not want to sell we not buy.
See, Jim Shay says she not believe either. And the man look terrible. The man look like one big shop to lick him. So Lisa as me say that a while ago me a man a call me. Look like him that come up on my phone, but me ain't turn on my phone yet. He a call me out of him out to say me go to my gate. Me always have one little friend where pick Aki when me say my baby father I run some joke with him. Me ratted. Carry on lick him down a while ago, Lisa back way. All his neck broke, his hand broke, every part time broke.
I mean lick him down?
In the car, him across the road. And him they cross the road over a bus stop and walk. When he cross the bus stop and I walk, go down the road. And the car come back at him. Lick him from back. And then go underneath and then it's like, and the man not tap, you know? Hungry parts off and carry them down there. And he ain't a nut shot because you see early night man I can't look, you know. One of them called Turkle with some whole potato upon him.
Him dead or him alive?
Him dead. Right past spot. A man me I say man sweep
Turkle dead?
Yes.
Blood clot.
Aki boy there.
Rest in peace, Turkle.
Yeah, see Aki boy there with the whole potato them and sleep on him.
If you can know them the people is so like you pint like you want me to remember them. We can't look down remember them the people eh?
See. And the person not stop none at all. I mean one day if I drop asleep.
I didn't drop asleep or drunk.
Something look, it seems like one man send the back and me say just because in camp in turn on in car. The man saying swerve him because him a fix the water line them on the road. So they have some mallet they put back in that hole. The man wave up this one, lick him out 2 times he lick him off, shake him off up there.
Lisa, you're from Senton, no sir?
Vashani from Senton. Because Vashani look like you know Turkle.
Come tell me where you come from, sir.
Vashani look like he know Turkle because he says Senton. And a out a highway out of St. Anne's Bay there, so. What's your woody bump grass clad that you must ever see him again? Let me see him.
So, you know, say, from one day I'm viewing a picture and say, I got to show my business still. My name bother too, you know? Yeah, man.
I know you know.
Yeah, well, you know.
We never go quiet, we never did check your status.
So school and so you take him back from sugar?
We never did let him go to school, we did tell us we did have him.
Yeah, check. Remind the overseas a chef look like a chef for Hindu.
Yeah, man.
Alright, what's your remember I delisa them?
That's what they come from Lime Mall still,
Yes, so we know so no Lime Mall them there. Most of my family live at Lime Mall to no girl.
We know that too. But guess what, boy, me ask Lisa that because she had Lisa said, oh, me remember him. So Lisa would have want to like she come from the nice here, isn't it?
That's why I come from nowhere, sir. She used to live down that area.
Okay.
That's so my business, you know. Thank you, Veronica. After you leg up my business last night for action. For aspect.
Look here, what do you mean? Hear your voice, and me I said, the voice just sound like somebody me know, and then we see your profile. And I said,
I behave myself now. In them things they like when you go to school. Every weekend, me and Nikki them I space to them. Remember say me beat up the whole apple jack. Remember inbox. Go and take your family reunion to inbox and people that over here. So I'm not gonna talk about some people push for we don't even know. People in business to inbox. But Sean, if you still that sentence. No, Bashan didn't do that. Bashan over.
Remember me tell her there.
Bashan over.
But Lisa, I mean, you know that story with Shay over CT. CT me there.
That way? Oh, CT. Then hold on. Then up on the media, you go like say me going at the inbox. Up on it, what go on Lady Powell?
Oh yeah, it come out on the media.
Mama said it didn't play out, you know.
Look here, let's see if we have a picture of it.
So Bashan, so what them that CT and you that CT, you're supposed to help your fallen brothers and sisters.
One again, we don't get that for you.
Me said, you know, you that CT and then get cured. You're supposed to help your fallen brothers and sisters.
Look here, but yeah, talking story like, oh, me you say, you know, then you the girl bad man. That girl I'm a friend and I'm here for a month, you know. Yeah, man. You got bad, you know. So me, some man no like excitement and they won't leave on. So me not even bother to insert myself more time in a certain things in a public, you see me? Yeah. That's how it goes.
Don't tell this to you, Bashan. There are some people in life which part when they help you, them think you owe them forever. But sometimes don't mess up your reputation, walk away. Don't care what they do to them should have just walk away. You understand what I mean?
But to me understand that them are the problem though, because look here, guess what, not of them people are just coming in America. They come here, when they come on vacation, they see the nice life. But when they live as a different, you have to pay bills.
From day one, you come here, you have to pay bills. And you still did that talk this morning. He never work a day in his life when he's at Jamaica, so he come over here now. Because the first...
Hey people, wanna tell me if King and Shay them a cruff? See? Because you go on my people. Foreign and Jamaica are two different places. Certain things where you can get away with at Jamaica, you can't get away with it at foreign. And the person will give them the house to live in. I think when they move in at the house, them say the person tell them to go and live in at the house. Me never hear them say nothing about no rent or nothing. You see me, someone know how it reach to know them a get put out or them get put out. Seeing it no look good. Yo, them have to understand say yo, the life for them used to live at Jamaica and the popularity where them get a sorry people did sorry for them. And watch them thing and you know what I mean, follow them up on them way the people did sorry for the condition where them did live in. So enough people we see say boy people sorry for them and them a get a nice push and them abuse the money. You know what I mean? Them not put the money to use and then people see like over the years and over a time period where them a support them is like them nah turn no them nah whether I say elevate You see me, them now get no better. And people go to stir them back on them and not help them no more. Because them think say the money will come in right through. So going to America, you know, maybe make them feel like say, yeah, people are going to start to watch you because them love when notice anytime a person go to America or they on social media, them get a different level of support. But once them settle down, the support trickle down. You know what I mean? So right now that look like it a go on for them and them a bust a big prank. But let me know how they think with people, cause I don't know what go on for them, you know. Cause them have to put them shoulder to the wheel. A different country them in and them have to work. You see me I say social media not work for them. Go on go work, brother.
The first red flag when you come over here and the cuss board. Oh, you know much years, Mr. Nice, no work for me, stopping for work at Jamaica. Even if you did do that when you're at Jamaica, Carly say you did do that maybe if they stay with the kids or something. Which part of it come tell people about saying they're supposed to work? So when Mr. Nice call, King our King pension.
Look here, let me tell you something now, Lisa. You see, I see mother through Pitney, where they take from Jamaica, father through Pitney, sister through brother, family member through family member, because guess what, they want to come here and they want to go insert themselves in your house and they want to help your bills. And I say where America hard.
Okay.
10 years now with there, I remember me tell them I can't have a good saving. Bills like wow.
What's wrong?
You saving the money after you was there.
What's wrong? They make back you over here. And drink the water.
And drink the water, so thank you, Lisa.
Okay. Them are going to come here, they depend on YouTube alone. You know, get up early morning time between 6 and 2 and go do a little part-time job, and then in the evening, you know, you come back and look at YouTube. And you see things.
And then sit on one side. They're wicked. They throw me out.
Lisa. That's why they always say, want it, can't get it, version, and get it, now want it. Because people would have get up and go do their little sitting. Look, man. They not get the opportunity there. Anyone them will go on like said.
Yeah, man, because remember all the time, you know, say when they left here, so I mean, help a girl and me I get to understand what I'm going. It's like me said to a girl, say, look here, just open your ears and listen. You soon hear what I'm going. But you see what I'm right now, just now? I know you first something that at me, you know, because be a bagger in there. Anyway, them go be a bagger. Me I tell them. Yeah.
Well,
anytime you bag tap on it, when they depend their own. When it's two of them are work, one can work a day, one can work a night.
I believe them do. I prank that shit there. As I come back, them a look.
Listen to me. Well, Shay say, then I work out you, so.
No, I feel like it's a prank. I never repeat them with them. I believe that shit there is almost. I don't believe that.
There's a pair connect to cut. But remember, said run out strong, you know, just first I say, Team TV I go help them, so what go wrong?
Yo, boy, I don't know still, but me I say, if it's somebody take up your with much pitney and your woman have in a house, and you did make money, I know one for you.
Father, you forgot that?
And them no want to help pay a bill. I want.
Then could I help them host, not even help them clean up it either.
I know Jamaica this way you grow up on like a family land and you get to a house to live.
There's a share of this mentality where you love mix up for everything, you know. I also have blood clots
I see him thing, Mr. Too. Blood clot, man. Not even my pitney in my house and job with me, no.
Most people, what happen with most people, even some man come here and miss certain things, you know. You have some man where that woman might take them and then do like some woman get a 2 year. They not even get to get a 10 year. Then gonna go on for you too tough on your street. Remember me tell you, it's a big thing.
Yes, sir. You know, so me tell people, say, me wonder how people move every minute. My wash and in a base. You see? Sometimes I wash the layers, you just put the clothes, I'm just in the dryer. Sometimes me put the dryer, sometimes I follow in there, me have to warm them up. As we said, me dry, wash and dry the same place. I wonder how some people get up and move every month.
Yeah, we're on still in a car, I tell you, say, when time somebody take it, a man or woman and they take it in America. You know, like, it come like they want to control the life, they want to tell you what to do. It's like you can't make a decision after your whole day.
No. Any real person take you, you're not going to have no problem. Because a real person don't get up and go to work every day. So they're not going to have time to watch you.
Morning, fine.
We're going fine. So, me know say you have so asshole. But for example, Denise, remember say Denise when they go work every single day, you know. People like
not the girl like, trust me, Solen. You see me now, you see that girl there, Solen, Lisa. A girl there, a real girl. You hear me tell her? Real girl, man. I don't know the full story of what happened. Why hard, but as what I see, here, look here, you can't really come in America and want to take this, man. I'm mad.
Some one of the the mother or the father, one of them could have get up go fucking work. I met the father can with the pitney, the grandfather. That's what
I mean, one of them could go work.
Three of them to go work. Just know say on a set on a shift that once somebody have always they home.
Lisa, them come in.
Remember, say they never hold them like, alright, you say they were hold ticky, you know, and you just say they went process them. Me not think they went process, you know, because they come through, you went just see them.
Okay.
Yeah, and if you understand what I mean.
But alright, within that, remember, look here now, me there ship a work, you know. I ship my life from I will me come so a vacation my company, you know. And me stay here and go on the happy company up and resign. And me just say, you know, I just so stay and come and just got Jamaica with my wife. We stay a ship and she there. And we send them and you know, we married and sing. But anyway, long story short. And two, me come here run off and me there almost 3 years before me start out there. And me tell her this, a 2 full-time job, then can't find work with the papers or not.
Well, tell you what,
anyway, in them area to New York, them place there, easy to find work.
You want job?
That's my problem, you know.
Listen,
Me not gonna where me can't work.
you see when me come here, me used to do 1 full-time job to a morning time, do me here just in a evening time, and me used to work up our restaurant to clean up and assist for chicken 3 days a week. So therefore, you call it say you have 1 full-time job, 1 part-time job, and it's like you're to hustle on the side.
What do you mean? Watch on visa.
Me do that for years, and if COVID never come in, I still have clients that come on my yard. But yeah, some people when they used to come here, as they come here, they want to take off their mask. I mean, I don't know where you come from.
Watch on Lisa. I do like to do my just come here. You know how much how I mean work?
I'll go and fancy face.
In a 2016, $5.
Hold on, you want hear something worse than that? You know how much?
Every 5 months, $550 me get.
Hold on.
I say, no take it. Mr. Look here, this can make up your rent.
Alright, you want hear how much me used to work? They used to go over a restaurant and clean and wash up and do all of them. There's some used up chicken and something for $40 a day.
Alright.
So,
alright, that's cool.
You want to talk about I'm going to give you the sweetest joke version. Me used to have one guy when me used to pay him like $5 for carry me go anywhere. Come here, man. Me don't know if you take it. Me say me tell you.
Let me tell you something, people. King and Shay, them get lazy. You know what I mean? Them lazy. And that's why them not achieve nothing in their life. Them lazy and dumb. You see me? Dumb in a sense where certain things is like them take advantage of certain situation and don't make nothing of it. That's why I say them dumb. You understand? Me not mean it in a bad way, certain way, but them certain things them should have been a turn them money the way them a make. You understand? And plus them they are foreign, you know, and them have how much kids. Them have to know say yo, we have to provide for these kids, you know. Me don't know if them can get welfare and them something because them not legal over there. But tell me if them can get that, me people, like food stamp on them something there. Cause that can help them out, you know. But they have to know say your rent have to pay, light have to pay and all those things. You understand? So them can depend on the little money where them a get right now, cause nothing now go on social media and them place to feed them. Them have to go look work you now, man, and Mr. Nice have to go skit up and go look at work same way. You know what I mean? And that I go help them out, nothing else can help them out. Because them now get too much know where them turn on social media.
We don't know nothing at all about no GPS and this and that. And one day me a call the boy to blurt not, you know, say the boy phone cut off, cause one girl up a shop they wait for me for doing here. Me know,
Yeah, man.
you know, go make a girl within a shop and go book one taxi for me. You don't know, say the taxi man charge me $19 when me reach up a shop, the girl gone. So that the $40 me pay $19 for one taxi, you know. Me say,
How much less?
me say when me reach, the girl gone, cause the girl saying couldn't wait no longer, cause still the girl didn't want to hour they wait for me, and me they call the guy now if he come pick me up and he look like a cutting phone cut off or whatever. Cause me say I me use the $5, cause me don't know how to take the bus and stuff. Because they tell you they used to have no way back halfway.
Lisa, when for them phone cut off, you can call them and get them.
No, you have to do like, you know, if you don't pay over here, you know, your phone bill you pay, you know, fooling, and then tell you go on, you know, and then listen what you think of go on with them over here. And Jamaica alone must use WhatsApp in America, and them not use WhatsApp in America. It's not a WhatsApp thing, you know. So even if them even there in a Wi-Fi, you know, and like, all right, if my phone bill they cut off, no. The only thing you do is you just can't call me straight, but you can still call me for WhatsApp. Average American no know not all about WhatsApp.
Yeah, man. So like you don't run like us phone at Jamaica.
Because most of them
What me use
alright, because remember, you know, most of them over
If
here,
you don't pay a bill, your phone cut off.
your phone cut off.
Yeah, me actually say, yeah, that road me I use an overshan 10 grand me pay feet a month. You have to say 10 grand a night.
Yeah, my mother have that cable and wireless, right?
Yeah, like floor.
Floor, yeah.
So she
My
always
mother
have
have that
service
right now.
when she go to the road.
Always.
Yeah, but when we are going with the conversation, I'm fooling. Most of them are people over here. And we all come over here about their iPhone, this iPhone, that. Most of them over here just use their little flip prepaid phone because, as me say, them don't know at all about no WhatsApp or all of them. There's something they then just for them phone and just call and text.
Oh,
Yeah, man, I really
Therefore, anytime it cut off, I know, like we, you know, as me say, if my phone cut off right now, anywhere me go with Wi-Fi, same way me can still talk to you.
If you know Lisa, if you ask the people, if they know what's up, they might ask someone else.
Thank you very much. Anyway, you see over here, any American when you see over here, we have WhatsApp. Tell John Public say they have maybe some Caribbean parents or some Caribbean or whatever.
A link with Joe.
So as me say,
Yeah, but Lisa, you ain't bad doing no baby girl, because guess what?
we don't know what listen. But listen,
Every month me get the $550 in for almost.
Hold on, so like back in the days, we used to have to go like call a bus company or a certain corner store and pick up the bus route. Bus route, I never saw where you download by your phone like that, you know.
Yeah, man.
Oh. Yeah, I know like now where you can just go by your phone and download the app and say, okay, bus will come 10:05, okay, we are going to get it. Back in the days, you have to go to the bus company or certain corner store and go pick up it, whatever. So me, you know, they over there, so now I'm they call all the boy.
I really talk, man, come here about it.
Yeah. So just imagine.
I can get a son check cash in place.
So now that me tell us say you used to have to pick up a little corner store or you go to the bus company itself and get a printout of the roads. They are not online at all. So just imagine you will get $40 for your pay and you have to pay $19 when you still try to get your client gone. Because the girl didn't want to hour they wait for me and I call the guy for more than an hour. I'm going to get it.
And at $21 you have left, you know. Oh, God.
Alright, this is another thing I'm going to really believe in. For instance, I did that job and some things that we got through for even have a position. I don't believe in everybody if you come to go through. If you can see your way, some people believe in it. But my point is with that, may I say, People can do better, yeah, man. Because some people, it's like, they deal with the thing on a levels where you come and me put your up and me have, so for instance, me have 2,000 water bill and you have a 9 to 5. And we still attack me, you know, and you at work. And we say, alright, me have 2,000 for my bill, all of my bill come to 2,000. And you come in now and me taking, you must give me $500 a month, you know.
Alright,
give me that, you know.
Hold on. I want 500. Hold on.
What do you mean?
Me say man come a foreign. And when they come a foreign, the wife said to them, say, take 3 months and bill yourself before me start.
The people, the only thing we can say, King and Shay go foreign, and them things say are the same thing like what them sip on TV as a foreign state. That is just what me think. You know what I mean? So them go with the intention of making a lot of money and living the American dreams. But the hard work when them put in and all them something there, like them not expect to put in that. So I just say them fall short with people. Let me know what you think.
I collect no money for you. Cause remember you come here, you go one clothes and one holy for something. So now you think on going on. If you know say within the 3 months that you are here, I want brand new vehicle, you go trust. So at the end of the day, you still have plan to pay me no money under no circumstances.
Yeah, because every week I go have bills.
Well I know. When you go take up car payment and car insurance, right? So you know. So for the rest of your life, you don't plan to help me, you know. Alright. What if there's a man where you they do 2 jobs now so like where you think say some of them start sending money go down a yard now because then they on a hype thing because they want to go build mansion down there. And you there right here so you don't want to pay no at all. So
easy, you know.
Alright. So whether you want to be relationship or you want to be friend. Enough man want to live in your house and build a big house at Jamaica and I help you do nothing at all. True.
But you see that though, Lisa, because look here now. Say for instance, just say, you know, call it say a $300 a month for your insurance, depending on the hair care you have or the carries, right? No for them not understand, because, alright, you might live from Jamaica now and say you might pay $20,000. Now the $20,000 I could have for 6 months at Jamaica, you know? When I double time that me have to pay per month. You understand me? There's some things I really don't understand still, yeah, man.
No.
I'm 40,000 for my insurance a year.
I hear that a 1 month insurance that for me. That's a 2018 me have. But guess what, man? I say I can't afford it. Me have to have anybody know any them place I you have to have a car in America, man.
Thank you. You have to like live maybe in a New York City where them the place there, you know, say a train and they sit there and things. But anybody who live in a regular state, you have to have one car. Cause tell you think going, you know, having a car help you no so long. Cause this what you think on going. Average person who have a car in California job 3 o'clock and reach the next one 3:30, you know. But when you don't drive, you know, you left for 3 o'clock and you know must reach home till 5 o'clock. Cause some depends on where you work, you have to take more than one bus.
And you can't depend on who they are so then drive because them have to go walk to and do their own personal stuff. Yeah, man.
Yeah, so when me just come here and meet that Florida, you know, my auntie work at it. And the woman look at me and say, you can use my vehicle in the day. Blood clot. Look like as a start-up human can. I will say to you, to work at night, and me say if you ever as him come in and you go say, I remember I run on TV when car for 110 minutes. As you started, the woman wake up to her so.
Ready.
What say?
Ready to go again. You don't get no time ready. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. So now that thing say you can come over here so can talk about your share vehicle. Not even with your spouse.
Me just come and me I tell my wife say, yo, I want to borrow your car and she always say, no, you can't get it. I mean I feel away and me I look into it and me I say, you know, I sometimes want she to come pick me up and then we have to take bus or walk in the snow. So after me there and get to understand certain things. Just me take you back, brother. Yeah, man, me take you back.
Come here, woke up, eat father money, brother, become a foreign brother. Nightless sleep to get, bro. Nightless sleep get youth. Yeah, me tell you. Obviously,
Right. He roughing up on him. He roughing up on him.
Brother, look again, brother. I'm telling you, Sasha, don't mean the fucking good, bro. Yo, the girl take out the whole of the channel, and when you know the boy, I that me to brother, she take out the whole of the channel, bro. She locked me out of the whole of the channel, she locked me out of the whole of the channel, brother. 4 fucking channel, and she locked me out of the 4 channel, Yo, I kiss a teeth, come up from my life and go suck your mother and go. Yo.
What? You know something I believe what you said though?
Brother, I swear to God, yo, brother, I swear upon my blood clot, look at that, brother, my mother, brother.
I read something, man.
I swear, yo, me a first dog, brother, I swear to God. Ezekiel.
Yeah.
How hard me work, brother, when me do a Jamaica mix marathon and do thing, brother, I'm back, brother, how much back me take out your yard, brother? How much back me take out your yard?
You can't count.
I want me take out the back of them, I want me teeth back of them out your yard, because do.
But so make sure so Sasha gets something to eat, my own. Chop out the cane, man, one time I say, yo, chop out the cane, chop out the cane, make sure you plant back, you tap them. That's why I'm gonna believe you.
Yo, bro, I swear to God, Mr. Youth, Sasha, can me go let Sasha take away the whole of the YouTube channel for me, dog. The whole of the fucking YouTube channel, dog.
O'Neal. Yo. God no, I don't tell you, sir, I prank you, bro.
Ezekiel, I swear to God, Ezekiel, me not Ezekiel.
I'm serious something, man.
Ezekiel, me know it got hard to believe Ezekiel. You wouldn't know you.
O'Neal. Remember saying now? You know every little room somewhere and Sasha you find a grass room.
Oh,
so this is not hard for me to believe this.
Ezekiel, me understand you, brother, because you know how far we are come from. You know how far we are come from, dog. You understand?
You know about that hungry beer to make sure Sasha eat and the people don't eat. So if Sasha do something like this, why? You know, I feel around. I don't feel so prank happen. I swear to God.
Yo, Ezekiel.
Yeah.
Sasha call me and say, me fi find my way out. That city done. Me find my way out and go along with me. Ezekiel.
People, I don't think we are going to live to see the day when Shay left King. Shay love that the youth, they so tell me people. Big woman thing. This just seem fake to me. And the balling, that no look real to me. It can be just mistelling on my people. But the whole of this look like say something with them or them are act out. You know what I mean? Make me know what I think.
Huh?
Tell Ezekiel, I swear as God, as brother, I swear by me little daughter, I wish you my mother yes, me not tell no lie, brother. Ezekiel, don't come to me little daughter, me not tell no lie, youth.
But O'Neal, I don't know what to say. God say I know. I know some man people wicked, because I know why they mad at me. So I know some man people wicked, but I don't look so Sasha that day.
No, look for your woman dear. Look for your woman broke out the blood clot when there's a thief coming in the house and thief for you all your money and run again to the money, youth. Look for your woman dear. Look you take care, woman. Look at the shop where you build game. And don't your woman where you have broke out the window and thief you all your millions them and tell us a thief coming in the house, brother.
Yeah, but that's not you know say woman terrible, but why we believe Sasha there this and God see I know. Remember say me that woman never come from far away, man. I just my baby mother. Would I say would I be wicked this one, you know, my baby mother.
Ezekiel.
But with you and Sasha boy, I know.
Ezekiel. Before me become a foreign Ezekiel, me no call you and tell you say when become a foreign bro, me go want to rent one place.
Yeah, man.
I have some goat and some cow for you go and rent.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man, you tell me, man.
What me tell us about the cow and goat them? Who me tell us if he cow and hog and the goat them? Who and who me say for them?
See you with them and Sasha, man.
Me tell us become a friend, brother, me have gone work hard, brother, and hustle down a yard, brother, me tell us more you get a piece of land for me, brother. When me
Yeah, man, you tell me.
goat and hog and cow and every one of them, that me tell you.
Yeah, man, you tell me that is true. That real talk.
Bro.
You always a try, brother. Me not tell you. Me know for sure that you always a try something, brother.
Me not lie, you hear me I say. Big man thing. If something goes up, so if you know, if something goes up, Sasha will get a blood clot beaten. If something goes up.
Ezekiel, I swear to God.
You hear me say? If something goes up, Sasha will get a beaten.
Ezekiel, I swear to God, Ezekiel, people who know the king of company internet can say certain things. And when you see me, I tell them, yo, me understand some of the whole prank, but people when you see me company internet, I can talk some things, people, yo, you know, if you understand and when me are telling you what I go on. Brother, here's 5 YouTube channel, brother. And Sasha is alright, make it one of the channel for me. So take one of the channel, brother.
You hear me say a while ago? If Sasha do something like that, Sasha will get a real beating 100. And I'll beat him get from man and from God.
What is Ezekiel? People don't look on the people inside me out of the inside me out of it. See that? See the inside me out of it.
No, sir.
Inside me out of film channel inside me what for me. That means she no wants good for me, she no wants the better for me, brother.
No, sir.
Inside me out of the YouTube channel, dog, me I try to tell you.
This will look good.
Yo, I choose me have an next phone to play voice note them.
This will look good on me. No, sir. Me know say woman wicked brother, but me know. No, sir. Me not look for this one, Sasha.
Yo, Ezekiel, you know how for me and stay when me at Jamaica, the mace work for me and stay Ezekiel. When everybody stop a bar drink Ezekiel, I'm a yard, me a rush me concept what Mr. Ezekiel. There's Ezekiel station.
Now I say me there me yard I can't solve the deck and I'm share food deal. And where do the food? When me there me yard I can't me deck and I'm share food deal. Where do the food? You remember where do the food?
Tell them, brother. Tell them.
You're gonna get the food out of yourself, see? Me not trying to name food, you know. I straight away can't make sure it's such a the brother. Anyway you go, if I get anything for it, yeah, last year if your man say it, because you have to make sure so the woman and the pit name first. You see you can't be around, you can't put chop cane and name and bull and drink water. Yeah, make sure so they get food. So it's kind of hard to believe it. I tell us Sasha really did something like this.
Swear for me life, Ezekiel, me not Ezekiel.
Awesome. Tell a man say.
Ezekiel, if me a practice, I never come out and tell him a lie upon Sasha youth.
Nah, tell a man say no. I don't know, but we can't call why I say foreign change people. Yeah, man, foreign change people, man. Look at me and my baby mother. I said, I live with my mother for much year, brother. She not work, I don't know, work, I take care of what she do. She reach a foreign and call me and tell me, say, over and done.
Remember.
If you move on with my life, crash, I move on with you.
Foreign change them in the brother. You just see two color of them in the brother. No foreign change me. You just see two color of them now, you know.
Betrayal.
Yo.
When me there at Jamaica with Sasha, I did a yard with me. You ever see Sasha buy a suit of clothes himself yet?
Yeah, always a shopping Sasha from day one. Are you
people may see up on TikTok or Just feel say you just a normal man when you come out to your family, you know, but if we will know, the way how you a man, they roll out to fear you with them. We know how you roll with them, we know. And even say she gone and she leave the channel with you can't make back your money, but she make some money, she take everything from you. That don't fear.
Brother, she take everything. Bro.
That don't fear.
Brother. It's like when he tell me say everything over, I'm say alright, they never want one of the channel. It's about me telling him that everything gone.
So where is she have O'Neal?
Ezekiel,
Tell me the truth. Tell me the truth. Where is she? Where you do her?
You know what's Sasha not Ezekiel? It's because Sasha do some things where I don't really want. I'm not really bring her down the way there. Sasha I do some things where me a look out for her over far in your life. I'm sure something now. Me and Sasha in her house, brother. And we have 6, brother. And she not look for me, brother. And Sasha on the phone, I call man, a big man to come masturbate with him, bro. And me catch him, brother. Brother, me have all video on my phone, brother.
So we are fire about this now.
Remember, in father, Sasha a big woman in the youth. Sasha and a pitney, you know.
No, but I don't really say pitney, O'Neal, but for your father, we know, as a father, I know where you're coming from.
Mr. Nice, brother, Mr. Nice, I agree with Mr. Nice, never want me go apart, and Mr. Nice never want that. Mr. Nice did not want that. Mr. Nice never want that. I'm not telling no lie from Mr. Nice. Mr. Nice never want to do nothing content to what go on right now. Mr. Nice never want that.
Okay.
Hey people, you see the internet, see social media, it a go turn whole heap of people in a pa. You see me I say, yeah man, it a go mess up enough people because you what? You see the free money, people are gonna get so used to the free money that when them now get it, is a bother to them and them want to know what to do to start get it back. See, remember, you know, King, them have how much mouth to feed, you know, and a social media, them are depend on wholly and solely, you know. See, why one of them out of everybody with them, say a social media or nothing there? Why one of them just sacrifice social media time and just go look at work and see how it work out? Seeing that feel whole on depend on social media and it not really a work for you, and every time when I have to come with something to get back the fans them. Yo, boy, I don't know still, you know. Wish them the best still. Let me know what I think, my people.
That's me no business. But nobody never go come in my yard, go fuck up my thing, and you know. You mad? Anyways, guys, you see right now, any one of my supporters, them, I want to do nothing at all for me when I can't send gift because my car can't move none at all. Well, I'm tired them, slash them, cut me tired them. Me ring scream them, lick out, then drop and like you know they use knife and crap up the whole around the car. So, me need, cause remember this never in my plan, you know. This never in my plan. It's quite evident, you see, after me lie down, no, me charge them back, man, but the thing is, I quote it after go police them can't tell them so they have to fix my car. So that the police them I tell me say I quote it I go. First thing first, the girl them they deny it. The whole time yesterday, them I deny say at them. So me know them I got court go play not guilty. Because the one Sabrina she, when she reach era, it's not me here the one kitty she. Me the up on the hill officer. Me never down there so me not do nothing to nobody car. Me not do nothing to nobody car. But remember the life, right? Remember one girl did in a one red dress and the girl have on braid, don't it? Them don't bring that the girl to the station. Them don't bring that the girl to the station. And remember say me did it on live. So only when the live show me have, but me not get none of them the video yet. When me a showing them down at the yard and them a fling, me not have none of them the video yet. And them a go say, from which part me there, and me there fling stone, and them the stone they lick the car. And me say me there up the blood clot hill, and the car they way down at the front of the yard with them did there. And them a go say, me fling a lick car. So that's the thing right now, is it? Mama, me I telling you the truth, God love dog. I want to know if you just understand. Me not really interested for nobody reach out to me and talk to me one-on-one. Me not really want to hear it because, to be honest, you see, anytime me come out here so, I want to see me try harder, no matter what dog, no matter how me go ask for help, me never get it yet. Me don't even know why me come on this alive. I telling you the truth. I thought me just give up and say fuck it or anything. Because you see, whenever it comes on to me getting actual support from the people, them, me never get it yet. Everybody rally behind me, yeah, do this, do that. Nobody not actually help me do nothing. And then when me go so boom, I actually start trying to live and do it to the little way me have and whatever me go ask for help for the little way me have can't do that, you know. And when you see me I do some opposite, when I start praying, me say, you come beg money for this and you do that. So it's because of that now, you better me just go and hold me one, you see it. Me I telling you the truth, God love. Everybody I reach out, they want to talk. Me not really want to talk to nobody, guys. Me I telling you the truth. I really want to talk to nobody, single. So I'm just company live, I'm just attack. I'm telling you already. That Jelani see my putting them this last time, and get them back from him, that's it. I don't want nothing else to do with Jelani. Because the fucking worst thing about it is, all it me never got back with Jelani. The whole time this man been manipulating me. This man been manipulating me, this man been gaslighting me. And I tell me pure fucking story. And then boom, you again. But I can't tell you blood clot this say. You see me, you see Kitty, you see Sabrina, you see Jelani, you see the other three girls that come and me had Sabrina like a sister. Father God have a special beating put on for you all now. Remember me did tell you, Father God have a special beating put on for you now. I have to wonder if Sabrina man just can't get nobody or what. No, say me help gonna come, man, trust me. I'm not afraid, babes. God knows I'm not afraid. How me do it now? Alright guys, sub chat only, so you can somebody can send out one sub wave so that people can comment or you can subscribe if you comment in the comment section. Cause I don't know a thing already. Right now I genuinely just can't bother. And I say police system stay. You see it? People fi come at your yard and when you see them and you in your angry state, you know fi do them nothing. I don't know what kind of system this Jamaica have. Me I tell you blood clot truth to God love. I don't know what kind of system this them have. Kind of system this. Me can have my vehicle in my yard good and you come mash up my vehicle and me now get a court date until June fucking 15. It might not even done yet. And me car put on my yard good and uno blood clot come on my yard. I come mash up my vehicle. And we are June 15 before me can see a judge. For a judge look upon the case and say alright. You have to fix back your girl car. We are June 15.
Well, boy, the people, the dog should have sent the girl them for these still. That's all I can say. Him should have sent the girl them for these. Because right now, he want the girl them in a trouble. Because guess what? Them have to go fix back the one car. And that the money they could have taken use to something else. Because whole heap of damage that them doing a tire, paint, glass. Come on, a whole heap of bomba money that. Enough money. And this may be drawn out in our people. And the woman need to bring her youth them go to school back and forth. And the car help out. So this is just unnecessary and a big effort, you see it? But we don't want to think. Make you watch some more.
And really thank you for subscribing. Guys, when you can subscribe to join the chat. Slim, big up yourself. Me shugs. And if I take up matters in my own hands now, and this is a problem, they don't it. So this is how the system always fail people over and over and fail people. But thanks, baby. YouTube and thanks for subscribing. Bonita Brit. Sorry, what going? Oh guys, yeah, new page, so they can follow that page. Tell me thank you. Tina, big up yourself. Guys, everything is appreciated. All if I rose and I have to see it. Because as me say, I have to try to do something for myself. To see if I can at least get my car if I can move me around. Remember say I have to pick them for go to school Monday morning. Remember say I have a whole heap of little things to do. Right now, this man, my name I go change. That you don't even know, dog. To me feel, I have to just start move different. I change my name, I change my picking them name. I say Jelani are the worst man I ever dealt with from my barn. Worst. I should have known that Jelani was no good in my life, was no good for me, dog. I'm still take up myself because of loyalty and because of love. I'm stick, I'm stuck, I'm stick, I'm stuck. And you see which part it carry me? I turn to some females and time I do with one man, you see, and him a kill you with bun. And all if you don't know nothing about it, if you instinct turn to say the boy a give you bun, him a give you bun. Move from this, so. And if you lick your more than one time, move from this, so you know worth it, me I tell you no. Because you still don't feel like say them man is smarty, them man are nobody. Them never ever change. Thank you for subscribing, baby guys. Thank you. Tammy, thank you. Never ever change. Because you what me know. If Sabrina never take fuck for Angelani, I feel like say I am beneath her. She would come at me hard. If Kitty never take fuck for Angelani, I feel like I am beneath her. They would come at me hard, you know. They would find themselves at me hard. But because it make them feel like say me and them are squabs. That's why them find me hard. Because it make them feel like me and them are squabs. I say guys, Mother's Day come. Mother's Day come. I'm going to see me car. I'm going to see me have the message them. You don't know where Jelani tell me Mother's Day say? Mother's Day Jelani text me. And I say go suck your mother. And that Jelani text me and tell me for Mother's Day. Early as the morning light. First thing him send me, go suck your mother. And me sit down and me just laugh. Because I say this Batman feel like saying can't hurt my feelings. It's crazy. Could hurt my feelings. Because you know more than me. And one thing when I know, Jelani, you will never be a better man. Never. You will never be a better person. And if you don't change, oh God, man, I know what I'm going to reach in a life. Kitty has a big woman, he can't even go none of her family them yard. None. No wonder you're bad man, I hate me girl. Yesterday when they ended your again, hear this Sabrina. None of her friend them don't like her. Bitch, me never have friend. Me never have friend from day one. So I don't care who like me from who not like me. Nobody not feel like me. Me quite alright. Not nobody not feel like me. The only person that feel like me, I'm picking them on God. But not like your people them like you. Your people them like you. Your people them hate you. That you forgot talk about. But guys, I'm going to tell you something. I not give them girl much of my energy because I rub it to them last night and them can't come up back come rub me. Because all if them go live, all them go do over there, all of them over there shout and chat and bag nonsense and I try to be funny. They don't have a humorous bone in them body. None of them. I'm going to go back out of the station today because I don't feel like them the police to take the report properly. Guys, come on guys, any gift is appreciated. Tammy, thank you baby. Come guys, any gift is appreciated. Me I try to see what I can do, you know. Because I must have to move around. I know say I don't fool no business, you know. So I now come to no demand nothing from nobody. It's not that. I just see if I have no supporter out there who are willing to help me at least get my car to drive in state. That's it. Because it's quite evident. You see what them do? It was so malicious to the point where you could have just clapped the facts of them bad mind. It is so obvious. A bad mind sitting on me yard in the first place. And a bad mind me could have mash up my vehicle. Bad mind do that. No girl in the sense of my mind now got smash the yard. and just go mash up their vehicle so because they can't fight them. Nobody. So no mash up the vehicle, no attack something that was harmless, can't even defend itself. And then say, no a bad girl. Guys, thank you so much. Appreciate the gifts. Thank you, Nix. Thank you, Tish. Come on, guys. If you can tap and share the live, I appreciate it. Any gift is appreciated, guys. Anything you want to have, me appreciate. Bright eyes, everybody. Thank you so much, guys. Come on, guys. Any gift is appreciated. Yeah, man, me putting them need for gas school and I carry me have to use and hear what the thing me feel like say. They mash up my car because them don't want me if I can't move up and down. They want if I can't come down on my yard count any little thing, but me go try to figure out that too, and me go put up some camera system run around the yard too. That me I go do. Bossy, thank you, Vanessa, thank you, Trev. KK, thank you guys. Anything at all I have is appreciated. Sexy, thank you. And as I said, guys, this car thing just never in my mind for the years.
Alright, the people. So, you see all this thing you got in here now, D have to go pay to, you know. Yeah, man, D have to go pay dearly also. Because D, remember said D go box the girl in her face in at the station, you know. And the officer them see, you know, eyewitness did it, so I don't know if she can deny, you know. So when she get the money from them, she have to go give them back some of the money. Because I know say them are going to sew her back. You see me? So as me say, all of this is sitting here necessary. Let me know anything, people.
I don't want a fake page, I send me no request. I don't want nobody else send me no request. Boss Lady KK Apple, thank you. Kalani Ma, everybody pick up on yourself. Everybody we have follow, pick up on yourself, guys. So I see people I say, oh, Zaza, thank you. People I say, oh, me store up evidence, get skit if you are rainy day, I did not. Guys, anything is appreciated. Anything at all I don't have, me appreciate. But just I try to get my car back up to driving standard because remember say me never did a plan for this and my car can't move. And without my car, I know me I can manage because I always I tell you say me live very far. I live very, 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 very far. So me need the vehicle to move up and down, guys. So anything I don't have, Rose, anything I appreciate it. I want me to talk about it a while. Somebody remind me. What me did I say? Shami Lady, Louis, everybody, thank you, guys. What me did I talk about my side? No, remember, I know. What me did I say, guys? Exactly. Guys, when you can't subscribe for talk to me, you know. When you can't subscribe for talk to me, guys, but I appreciate it, man. When you can't subscribe for talk to me here. Just click the subscription button right there, so guys, and subscribe. Remember, say a new page so everybody can follow. Carib, thank you. Bless, thank you. Come on, guys. Anything is appreciated. Thank you, Carib. Blessings, thank you. Pick up yourself, Carib. Appreciate it. Guys, when you can the subwave to when you can subscribe so other people can get subscription to fit talk. Shorty, everybody, guys. Anything at all on the app is appreciated. Shan, thank you, baby. Bonita, thank you.